for the fight of my life, hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. The thing is I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud, searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown on my promise, but God came and threw me the rope.
Hey! Hi, howdy. Good morning, good evening, or good night, however you perceive time. Welcome to the first nice day in Pennsylvania so far this year, practically, since I have gotten my skateboards back. So, I figured what better way to introduce the new skating year for me than to show you what my boards have in terms of their features and how they work, and I will give you a bunch of content in a second of my local hometown, and I hope you enjoy. So let's get right into it, and I hope you enjoy, and I also hope you enjoy the better sound quality, because now I have a Blue Yeti. So please like and subscribe, I appreciate you. Now let's get right into the details of these boards. Now the first board that we're looking at is the first board that I bought from my guy Corey in my hometown. It had a different deck on it before. It was actually smaller. I ran that into a tree and the front of it broke off, so I figured I'd replace it with this. These battery encampments are actually 3D printed. I really enjoy that. Some of the features that it has is the charging port for it has a rubber case on it, which I really enjoy. It's got an LCD screen right there, so it says it's at 94%, and then this one turns the lights on and off. And the best part about it is that there's a USB port right here that has a 3D printed cover on it, and you could plug in your phone charger when you're not using it, and it doesn't take away that much from the battery of the board. And that only has one motor. Now, this is my second board. This is my bigger board, and I like this one a lot because it actually goes double the speed of the original board. I call it the raw board. And what I like about it is that it also has a USB charger like the one on the other board. It has a light that turns it on and off, which is very convenient. It has a LCD screen as well that says 95%, and it also has a port for charging, and these chargers in my opinion are very fast for charging them. It normally takes a few hours at max and you're back to riding again. So I really enjoy these boards for the individuality and the uniqueness of each of them, and I'm going to give you lots of content of each, but for now let's get to riding. That's my helmet, ride safely, and let's get right into the content outside. I figure if I get hurt, I might as well film myself doing it. Gotta film myself going down this steep old hill. Let's see how it goes. Oh boy. Thankfully I can slow down with my controller, but I don't know why. Goodness. And these brakes are crazy. Woo. Wow. I love these brakes. I see a radar over there. Let's see how fast we can get. watching. If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe if you enjoy. That'll be about it for me today for the first ride on my flower board this year. I decided to put the street off-road tires on it, and they performed really well. They did better on grass than I thought, but it did help me to realize that I need to buy other tires for them to go specifically off-road. So please help by supporting the channel and the video so I can get more stuff like that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Later.